Hey everybody, we are in the gardens on the campus of Texas A&M University. My name is Randy C. Graves. I'm with the International Junior Master Gardener Program, and we are so excited to partner with the American Horticultural Society every year in the Growing Good Kids Book Awards program. Before we unveil this year's winners, let's provide a little bit of background to the awards program itself.
The Growing Good Kids Book Awards is an annual awards program that recognizes titles published from the previous year from submissions made directly from publishers. Those nominations are then reviewed by a book committee of teachers, youth garden leaders, and children's literature experts from around the country. We recognize those books that are successful in promoting an understanding and appreciation of plants and gardening in the environment. And because we consider primarily works of fiction, there are two criteria that are reviewed: the power of the story and the power of the illustration to meet the aim of developing that appreciation. But before we announce these winners, we're going to give you a chance to win a complete set of all three of these 2021 Growing Good Kids Book Award winners. And this is how you do it. First, share this video that's posted at the JMG Kids YouTube on your social media. We want you to help get the word out. Include the hashtag Growing Good Kids, and we are going to select 3 of you to win a complete set of these books on July the 12th.
All right, we're ready to unveil this year's award winners. Let's get started.
Every day, the city is abuzz as silent strangers hurry by without a glance. One little lot sits abandoned in the hustle and the bustle. Hungry bees buzz about, searching for flowers to pollinate, until 2 helping hands push open the rickety, rusted fence. A visitor imagines what could be. Passers-by stop to talk. Maybe, just maybe, they all say. In this story, you're going to count all the ways, 1 to 10, an urban community unites to clean up an abandoned lot. From building planter boxes to pulling weeds to planting seeds, everyone works together to transform this lot into a beautiful vegetable garden. As the garden grows, strangers become friends. Eventually, they share in a special feast with the harvest they grew. Our first winner for this year is One Little Lot, The 1, 2, 3s of an Urban Garden by Diane C. Mullen, illustrated by Oriel Vidal from Charlesbridge. Here to accept the award is author Diane Mullen.
Greetings from Minneapolis. I'm excited and honored that Oriel Vidal and I have been selected for the Growing Good Kids Book Award this year. Thank you so much. I'm currently standing in my own 10-foot by 10-foot urban plot at the Sioux Line Community Garden in the wonderful Whittier neighborhood. I've tended this plot for several years and have made good friends through the simple joy of working side by side in the soil. And this gardening community was a huge influence on my writing of One Little Lot. This book wouldn't exist, however, if not for editor Julie Bliven at Charlesbridge. She was a steadfast believer in my story, and I'm ever grateful for her unending care. Thank you again for this wonderful honor.
Last spring, we took a class picture. That's me in the back. I was like a little caterpillar then, quiet and almost invisible. I didn't like to stand out or to be noticed. In this story, a girl who loves butterflies learns about their habitat loss, and she decides she wants to help. She sets in motion a movement at her school that starts with a single monarch butterfly station, but that station grows into an outdoor classroom and a vegetable garden that gets her entire community involved. This moving story of a community conservation proves that even the smallest of us are capable of amazing transformations. Our second winner is Butterflies Belong Here by Deborah Hopkinson, illustrated by Milo Sol from Chronicle Books. Here to accept the award is illustrator Milo Sol.
Hello, I'm Melo So, the illustrator for Butterflies Belong Here. Welcome to my home in Shetland. I'm so happy that our book is one of the winners for Growing Good Kids Book Award for 2021. I would like to thank Junior Master Garden Program and American Horticultural Society for sponsoring the award. Thank you.
Near the bank of a river, one warm spring day, A new life began, and her name was May. Mama held May in her warm, tender hug, then said goodbye to her sweet baby bug. You have your whole life, a day, perhaps more. Don't waste it, May. Use your wings and explore. This story takes place on a warm spring day on the riverbank where May the Mayfly hatches, and most mayflies just live one single day. But what can one possibly achieve in a single day? Well, as it turns out, May discovers there's a lot one can do, from noticing and appreciating the simple, beautiful moments in nature, to overcoming fears, and to lending a hand to someone in need. This inspiring story reminds young readers to appreciate the time we have and enjoy the little moments along the way. Our next winner is May the Mayfly by Dennis Brennan Nelson, illustrated by Florence Wiesner. And here to accept the award is author Denise Brennan Nelson from Sleeping Bear Press.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much for recognizing May the Mayfly. It truly is an honor and it fills my heart with gratitude. I received an email from my publicist informing me of this, and I wish I had the video of that. I did a little Mayfly dance, let's just say. And I think that would really show you how excited and honored I truly am. And of course, I looked into this award and the criteria for it, past recipients, which makes me very honored. And the criteria that they're looking for: a strong story and a strong artist or illustrations for the story, and that teaches children about our environment and all the beautiful things that we have in it. That makes me very, very proud as well. That was my goal for this story. You know, I found out that mayflies only live about a day once they hatch, and I thought, how would you live your whole life in one day? And I wanted to really show the simple but remarkable things that we have and teach children about our environment. So I really appreciate this award. I'd like to give a special thank you to Florence Wiesner, the illustrator. She did a wonderful job bringing May to life and capturing the fear that May had and the trepidation, but also she did a great job of capturing, again, the beautiful things in our world. I'd also like to give a special thank you to Sleeping Bear Press, my publisher. I've been working with them for over 20 years, and they're just a kind, professional, creative group of people. There's so many things, I'm at a loss for words to describe them, but they're just a wonderful group of people who are very good at giving constructive criticism, I might add. And without them, you know, May wouldn't be. So thank you to them. And lastly, I'd like to give a big thank you to the American Horticultural Society and to the Master Gardener Program for this award. I truly am honored. Thank you so much.
And these are your 2021 Growing Good Kids Excellence in Children's Literature Award winners. We want you to help us get the word out of these deserving titles. For more information about the book awards, go to jmgkids.us/book awards. And to help us spread the word, we are going to give you a chance to win a complete set of this year's award winners. For your chance to win, all you need to do is go to the @JMGKids YouTube channel, share the awards video on your social media, and include the hashtag #GrowingGoodKids. We'll announce 3 of you to be winners of this book set on July the 12th. We thank those people who are a part of the committee this past year, and like we do every year, we are going to invite you to be a part of this committee as well. As a member of the committee, you agree to serve on the committee for at least 1 year, and on average you'll review 10 to 12 titles over that year's period of time. You must be a practicing elementary teacher and notify us by August 1st if you're interested in serving on the committee. We'll notify you by August 15th if you are selected, and the new award cycle begins on September 1st. To notify us, please send an email to me at the email address listed on your screen. Let me know your name, the school you're at, the grades and subject areas you teach, and again, we'll notify you by August 15th if you're going to be a part of the 2022 book committee.
Congratulations to this year's award winners. Thank you for being a part of this awards presentation, and thank you for helping us to get the word out and partnering with us for the Junior Master Gardener program mission of Growing Good Kids.